Hey guys, so today we're going to be using these chubby brushes and these super cheap dollar brushes. So yes guys, so if you want to see this look, continue watching. Okay, so we're going in with our Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be using this one because it's like dense. So I went ahead and did my brows and added my eyeshadow base. Yeah. This is how we're wiping the concealer, and I'm going to be moving really fast. Yeah? Okay. Now we're going to go in with the brush and blend. Because it's so small, it helps to distribute the product really nice. So now we're going to go in with some concealer. I wonder what brush I can use for the concealer. Can I use this? Or this? I'm going to use one of these for the concealer. So I'm going in with Makeup Revolution, of course. Yeah. So this is C13, Makeup Revolution C13. And we're just adding that under the eyes. Just to really define my cheekbone. Good. Using this one because this is a little bit more angled. Wow. Wow. Perfection. Nice. Yes, guys. Yes. Yes. This works. $2 brushes. $2 guys. $2. And this allows for precise blending. Now I'm gonna use this for the powder under my eyes. We're just using ColourPop plus Coty Airspun powder. Gonna go in with this brush now. The product, and I'm just going to dust off the excess. Wow. Okay. Good. And next eye. Dusting away the excess. Okay. My. Just gonna taking some on my. I'm gonna be using this one because this is a powder brush. So it's just nice. We're just going to do it like so in the powder. Cool, nice. And we're just nice. We're just gonna set everything. I feel so good. This is nice. This is doing a good job. Look at that. Nice. Okay, good. And it's soft. Good. Okay. So because this brush is a little bit too big, it can't reach right here. So So you know what brush we're going to use now. We're going to be using this one because look. This brush. These brushes. Yes. Have to see what I'm doing. This brush, this mirror is perfection. Yes. This is what I'm talking about. See? It fits right here. So this is perfect. Nice. I know I was gonna love this brush. I just knew I knew I was going to love these brushes. Nice. Going in here and here. See if I can get a lot of product on the brush. Cause I don't got no bronzer. Alright, so we're gonna take it here now. This is the test of the time. Maybe it will work because it can work, but maybe it won't work because I didn't pack enough product. But let's try. Oh, yes, it's working. Yeah, and this is just going to be our blush and bronzer too. You see that? Yep, yep. Yes. Wee! Wee, 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 wee. Oh, a double chin. Go in here now. Yes. Hold on. Hold up, hold up. Got to take some more of this bronzer. Here. Nice. Take some right here. I feel so good, guys. Alright, I want to do my nose. So we're gonna use a tip of hair. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Nice. Yes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa. I don't even know how to act. I'm so retarded. But this is perfection. Okay. And this is my full beat. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna use my Jwillscool palette. Saharan 2. Using this brush. This one is the blending brush. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so from my experience now, this brush is a little bit too flimsy. I would say it is working, but it's too flimsy for my use. Or not really flimsy, I should say. The bristles are a little bit too long. It's working, but it just feels flimsy. It's working, but just a little bit flimsy. But it's working, as you can see. Or maybe I'm not really used to this type of brush on my eyes. But it worked. Okay, let me see this smaller one. Oh yeah, I should have used this one. This is a little bit more dense. Alright, so we're going to go in with I want to go in with a deeper color, like going in with the black. But it's not bad for the price. Just $1. I want to go in with such a dark color. No. But I would say these are just a little bit too flimsy. Yeah. and we have not good, not so good. So I wouldn't say like the eye brushes, they're just $1 still, but yeah, the eye brushes aren't. This is just shedding. This one is shedding. In the same brush that we used earlier. This is not really a smoky eye, but it's turning into a smoky eye. Just not what I'm accustomed to. But it can work. Okay, we're just gonna use this one now to kind of blend out here. Yeah, this one is nice. This one is doing the job. This is like the flat top blending brush. Fluffy blending brush, I should say. But it's doing the job, so I wouldn't say. Okay guys, so I just realized that the footage with me using the wing line to do this eye with this brush, I deleted it because I just grabbed up the charger out of the camera without pressing stop, so it got deleted. So I'm just gonna show you what I use with this brush. This is the liner brush. I used it a while ago. Oh my gosh, but I'm gonna use it and show you how it is. Yeah, this was like the easiest wing line. It was just so perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna show you what I did, guys. Hope this one turned out as nice as this. Okay, so what I did, I started from here. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is the right thing. Oh. Oh. So go. Stuff going on. I went ahead and I used this one for the lower lid. So we're going back in with the black, and I'm just gonna take the black at my waterline here. I'm using this pencil brush from the same brush set. Nice. And then we're gonna go in with the Jwillscool Saharan 2 palette, and I'm using the brown again. Same brown that we used earlier, this one. Yes, I'm gonna take it below it and just with the same brush. Good. Yes. Nice. Okay. Perfect. We done? I think so. I wonder if this one looks a little bit thicker than this one. I wonder if I can make it a little bit thicker. Okay guys, so we're just gonna add this with this brush because of course we don't have a highlighter brush. So we're gonna be using this Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer right here. Oh, oh. Nice. full beat, guys. Dollar brushes. I'm wearing ColourPop Double Agent. Yeah, I'm wearing this. Yes, I say yes. Eye brushes, guys. Yes. The eye brushes weren't my favorite. Yeah, this one wasn't really my favorite, but it did the job, as you can see. Properly blended. And this brush, it worked. This brush really worked too. I didn't use this one because I already did my brows off camera, and I didn't use this because I didn't use any lip product. And I also didn't use this one because, of course, I didn't really pack any shadow. Okay, but this is typical brush. I think this would work well. I just went with the most, you know, difficult brushes that I think would give me a challenge. This is nice. Yes, this perfect, excellent. It's very dense and it did the job, and it has a point right now. Did the job. Very dense, very good. They all did an amazing job, as you can see. Yeah, I just thought this was, maybe this is not what I'm used to. The bristles are a little bit too long. I prefer when they're a little bit shorter and dense. So out of a 10, I would give these brushes like a 6.5. These brushes are 6.5. When it comes to the chubby brushes, I give them an 8 out of 10. They don't have any fault. I don't see any fault with them. I didn't experience anything bad with them. The only thing was this one, because it's so dense, it kind of, when I was blending the foundation, a little bit, you know, sticking me a little bit. But I think maybe it's because it is new and it's also very dense. And these are all soft and they did an excellent job. I love this perfect multifunctional brush, guys. Yes. So yes, guys, so this is it. I really enjoy them. Good experience with them so far. So we're looking forward for the other brushes. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it.